An American professor has spoken highly of China's rapid development of high technologies at a SciTech forum. The 2023 Zhongguancun Forum was held from May the 25th to 30th in Beijing's innovation hub, Zhongguancun, known as China's Silicon Valley.
I think China has been developing very well in terms of high technologies. I think this is primarily because now there's a focus on moving from being the factory of the world to the innovative factory of the world, and a focus on high quality development. China has also done a very good job of close collaborations between universities and industry. In fact, right here today, we're right next to Tsinghua University and Peking University, two of the world's leading universities, and a lot of high-tech industry here is benefiting from that. So I think given these policies and these organizations, I'm quite confident that China will continue to produce leading-edge technology.
Fei also noted China's green transition in technologies, saying it will benefit both China and the whole world.
China is now spending a lot of effort on that. Clearly the leader in electronic vehicles. We also see China putting a lot of effort in, for example, solar power, and that's going to help both China and the whole world to be a cleaner place.